Okay, linear inequalities. So we used to have, in the previous video, we have x bigger than 2. So if we draw a diagram, yes, use ruler for the straight lines. If we draw a diagram here, 0, 1, 2, 2 is here, and then pointing that way. So bigger than. Now, if we put it into a 2D plane, so we would have to draw draw the axis x and y, because this is our coordinate plane. 0 is always here, y, and next make sure you label them. And then we will have 1, 2 here, exclusive. So instead of the hollow, we cannot have a hollow. We tell them it's the dotted line. This is just a boundary, and we do not know which way. It's not including the 2, but from there, we cut the graph into 2 sides, left or right. We want anything bigger than 2, so we shaded the unwanted side. So this is what we want here. Similar, because it's a coordinate plane, we could have y bigger or equals to 2. So now we have another inequality here, another coordinate plane here. And then we will have, so we will have the bit of that, we will have 0, and this time we have y bigger or equals to -1. So -1 here, bigger or equals to, so it's a solid line. And then we think of a bigger or smaller than. We want anything bigger than -1, so it's above the line we want. This bit is what we want. Put a happy face in there first. Usually, in the real thing, you don't have to put happy face on it. But then anyway, we cover that. This is what we want, and we shade the unwanted side. All right, and then we can remove that. All right, what if it's a diagonal line? What should we do with it? Then we need to have some testing here. So over the page, we have inequalities here. We have a coordinate plane. Right, so this time let's have something simple. 3x big plus 2y is bigger or equals to 6. That's annoying. Anyway, who made this? Anyway, so what we're going to do is we need to sketch the equation first. So find the equation. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. To help us, we will rearrange it back to y equals to mx plus c. So we have 3x equals to, no, we don't want to throw the y to the other side. We need to put the y here. So we have 2y equals to -3x plus 6. And then remove the y. Make sure you divide them by each and every term. So -3, 2, and then plus 3. Now we know that the y-intercept is 3, the gradient is -3, so it's negative rise. We have rise over run. If you're not sure, you need to work on the sketching video. So we have -4, if start from 3, 1, 2, 3, that people know I have here. And then for every negative rise, so 1, 2, 3, going downwards, we walk 2, 1, 2. This is our point. And then just in case we do one more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we extend the line. Now before we draw the line, we double check, oh, it's inclusive, so it's a solid line. Right, now we need to find out, the place have been divided into 2 bits, left and right. Now we have to find out which size we want. So to do this, we are going to find some points to test. Any point on the graph, but not on the line. So to make it easy, I always go for any point on the x or y axis, because it's one less point to care about. So we write that here to help us see it clearly. So for the left-hand side, let's pick a point, my favorite, 0, 0 here. So 0, 0, we have 3 times 0 plus 2 times 0, we will have 0. But the right-hand side is 6. So 0 is not bigger or smaller than 6. So the bit, the side with the point is not wanted. So this side is what we want. So now we shaded the unwanted side. This is how we go for the shading and linear inequality of the region.